What does a pigeon accomplish in its lifetime? They fly courageously onward. For them, the shadow of demise does not loom beyond the horizon because they cannot see it. Last night, I beheld my most beloved's passing. With her final act, she reached out to me, not in terror, but in concern for my well-being. I write to you this last time in the hopes that as I spread my beloved's ashes to the winds, some of her kindness will find its way to you. In the next life, you will know to do the right thing. I still remain yours most devotedly, Nikola Tesla. Do you know how I knew you were special? When I first saw you, there was this wonderful light. I've often had these visions before, but never as far as pigeons were concerned.